The OnePlus 15 Pro is creating massive buzz, and if you think you've seen powerful smartphones before, get ready, because this one is about to change the game. Imagine a device that not only pushes limits but redefines them, with features so advanced you'll feel like you're holding the future in your hands. Packed with cutting-edge AI that makes your phone smarter than ever, the OnePlus 15 Pro uses intelligent optimization to boost performance, manage battery efficiency, and even enhance your camera shots in real time, making it feel like a personal assistant that learns and grows with you. At the heart of this beast is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chip, paired with up to 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM and blazing fast UFS 4.1 storage, which means whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking with heavy apps, the phone responds instantly, leaving no lag, no delays, just pure speed that feels unstoppable. The display is a 6.8-inch LTPO 4.0 AMOLED with a buttery-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ support, and peak brightness crossing 3000 nits. So, whether you're watching movies outdoors or gaming indoors, the visuals pop with lifelike clarity, vibrant colors, and deep contrasts that pull you right into the action. The camera system is where the suspense gets even more exciting. The OnePlus 15 Pro brings a triple camera setup co-engineered with Hasselblad, a 50MP primary sensor with OIS, a 64MP periscope telephoto with up to 6x optical zoom, and a 48MP ultra-wide lens, all powered by AI image processing that adapts to lighting instantly, giving you cinematic results day or night, while the 32MP front camera ensures selfies and video calls look sharp and professional. Now, the battery. This is where OnePlus proves it listens to its fans. With a massive 5,500 mAh battery that supports 150W wired charging and 80W wireless charging, meaning you can go from 0 to 100% in under 20 minutes wired and less than 30 minutes wirelessly, which is mind-blowing when you realize you'll never have to worry about charging overnight again. Performance-wise, OxygenOS 15 based on Android 16 brings a clean yet feature-rich experience with AI-driven multitasking, gesture navigation, and enhanced privacy controls, giving you the smoothest and most secure Android experience yet. But here's where things get even more suspenseful. The official launch date is expected in March 2026, and while leaks suggest it may debut at a global event in New York, OnePlus is keeping a mysterious edge, hinting at a possible surprise reveal earlier than expected, which could send shockwaves across the smartphone industry. Imagine being among the first to own this powerhouse. How would it feel to have a phone that charges faster than you can get ready for work, captures photos like a DSLR, and handles every game you throw at it without breaking a sweat? Stick around, because here's the twist for those watching till the very end. Rumor has it that OnePlus might also launch a limited edition variant of the 15 Pro with an exclusive design and upgraded cooling system, available only in select markets. And if that turns out true, it could instantly become a collector's piece for tech lovers worldwide. The OnePlus 15 Pro isn't just another phone. It's a statement, a glimpse into what the next era of smartphones will look like, and owning it means you're not just keeping up with technology, you're living in the future before everyone else. And before I wrap up, here's a question for you. If OnePlus gives a special feature only in the US model, what do you think it could be? Let me know in the comments below. I'm curious to see your predictions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know. And here's the surprise I promised. In my next video, I'll reveal a hidden feature of the OnePlus 15 Pro that no leak has talked about yet. So make sure you don't miss it. Trust me, it's going to blow your mind.